When we look back on 2024, we witnessed inflation come down around the world, with central banks in developed markets like the US cutting interest rates. Even faced with persistent inflation above the 2% target, these actions helped avoid a recession and maintain economic stability. Conversely, Japan saw inflation re-emerge, prompting the Bank of Japan to raise rates twice. Geopolitics was at the forefront, with many global elections seeing incumbents struggle as many populations sought change from governments that managed them through the COVID-19 crisis. The return of President Trump to the White House in 2025, chief among them. This transition of power south of the border is expected to bring significant policy changes and geopolitical shifts. As we turn our focus to 2025, we see a bifurcated world, with the US showing higher levels of growth, while the rest of the world pivots from worries about inflation towards supporting economic growth and arresting the deterioration of growth. Inflation stands to be a continuing issue as central banks around the world have moved away from restrictive monetary policy and spur economic growth. Geopolitics are set to influence markets worldwide as President Trump plans to impose tariffs in Canada, Mexico, and potentially China and Europe. These measures could serve as negotiation tools, impacting trade dynamics around the globe. And finally, we're in the midst of an energy transition, as nuclear energy falls into favor again as governments grapple with the reality of powering the continued electrification of our world. Our investment strategies reflect cautious views of this environment. Right now, we're taking a defensive stance by diversifying our investments across different asset classes, sectors, and regions. We'll keep focusing on picking the right companies best positioned to navigate the uncertainties facing the global economy. The investment team will also use any market volatility to buy shares in high-quality companies that are on sale because their valuations have dropped to levels below what we feel they are worth. Thank you for joining us in exploring our economic outlook for 2025. As we navigate these complex dynamics, staying informed and adaptable will be crucial for success in this evolving global landscape.